Hello, this is Sal. Today let's continue part 2. Uh, to the previous video, I configured these by mistake, the PC 10B and 1020B to access VLAN 10, and this was wrong. They're supposed to access VLAN 20. Configure terminal. I'll correct this mistake now. F0, 1, and 2. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 20. Now, as for this PC here, if it wants to ping the server or reach the server, it can ping 8.8.8.8. So the request timed out. So what I'm going to be doing is configure a static route. So this network here can reach the sub interfaces for VLAN 10 and 20. And I'll do this really quick here. Enable configure terminal IP route for 192.168.10.0 with the subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. And to reach the network, it has two options via this interface here or this interface here. So we'll go with 10.1.1.1, and for VLAN 20 or network 20, the same. And also another IP route, we wanted to configure this interface here to for network 10 and for network 20. Now I'll be working on the Ethernet on the switches. I will start with the switch 1 and finish working on configuring the port channel 3 with the switch 2 and port channel 5 with the switch 4 and the port channel 1. But the way how I'll do it really quick, so I will just keep moving from one switch to another, and at the end we will be doing some show commands and see if we can ping or reach the web server from any of the PCs. So I'll start with switch 1, and we will be configuring local aggregation control protocol and with the mode active for this network on all the switches. Enable configure terminal interface range for port channel 3, which is F0, 23, and 24. The first thing I will do is shut down the ports, and then I will work on them. Channel group 3, channel group 3, the mode, as we said, active. Now it created the port channel interface port channel 3. Exit here. Now we can connect to port channel 3, the interface of port channel 3, switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk native VLAN 99. Exit here, and now let's do it. Now we're done with port channel 3. Now with port channel, I will open the interfaces, interface range F0, 23, and 24, no shut. Exit interface range. Now with port channel 5, 21 and 22, shut. Channel group 5 mode active. Exit interface for channel 5, switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk native VLAN 99. Exit, interface range F0, 23 and 24, no shut. Exit. Now I will work on port channel 1 with the switch 3, interface range gig 0, 1 and 2, shut. Channel group 1, mode active. Exit, interface port channel 1, switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk native VLAN 99. Exit, interface range gig 0, 1 and 2, no shut. So we are done with port 1. Now let's move to switch 2. Did I open the interfaces here for exit? Show run. Port 5, Pass Ethernet 021 and 22. Shut. They are still shut. I'll open them. Configure terminal. Interface range F0, 21 and 22. No shut. Now for switch 2. Enable. Configure terminal. Now switch 2 with the switch 1 port channel 3. Interface range F0, 23 and 24. Shut. The channel group 3, mode active. Exit, interface port channel 3, switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk native VLAN 99. Exit, interface range F0, 23 and 24, no shut. Now let's work on with the port channel 6 with the switch 3, interface range F0, 21 and 22, shut. Channel group 6, mode active. Exit, interface the port channel 6, switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk native VLAN 99. Exit, interface range of F0, 21 and 22, no shut. So now let's work with switch 2 and switch 4. Interface range gig 0, 1 and 2, shut. Channel group 2, mode active. Exit here, interface port channel 2, switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk native VLAN 99. Exit, interface range 0, 1 and 2, no shut. Now let's move to switch 3. Now switch 3 and switch 1 enable, configure terminal, interface range gig 0, 1 and 2, shut them. Channel group 1, mode active. exit, enter the port channel, interface port channel 1, switch port, mode trunk, switch port, trunk, native VLAN 99. Exit here, interface, range gig 0, 1, and 2, no shut. Now between switch 3 and switch 2 with port channel 6, exit, interface range, F0, 21, and 22, shut, channel group 6, mode active, exit, interface of port channel 6, switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk native VLAN 99, exit, interface range of F0, 21, and 22, no shut. Now between switch 3 and switch 4, interface range of Ethernet 0, 23, and 24, shut, channel group 4 and mode active, exit, interface port channel 4, switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk native VLAN 99, interface range F0, 23, and 24, no shut. Exit. Now last switch, switch 4, enable, configure terminal between switch 4 and switch 2, interface range gig 0, 1, and 2, shut, channel group 2, mode active, exit, interface port channel 2, switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk native VLAN 99. Now switch 4 and switch 1. Interface range gig 0, 1, and 2, no shut. Now 4 and 1, interface range F0, 21, range F0, 21, and 22, shut, channel group is channel group 5, mode active, exit, interface port channel 5, switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk native VLAN 99, exit, interface range F0, 21, and 22, no shut. Now with the switch 3, interface range F0, 23, and 24, shut, channel group 4 and mode active, exit, interface for channel 4, switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk native VLAN 99, interface range F0, 23, and 24, no shut. Excuse me. Now let's run this show command here, show ether channel summary on switch 1, and it is showing us here that we have a port channel 1 and port channel 3. This is 3 and 1 with switch 3 and 5. Let's run the show spanning tree. And here it's showing us, if you notice, the link on F020. It is designated forward and it's point to point, but we have port 3, 5, and 1 are showing as share link. We want it to be point to point. Point to point, it will have the full bandwidth, using both links. So how to do this? We said we have port channel 3, 5, and 1. Configure terminal interface port channel 3, number 1 here, spanning tree link type point to point. Exit. Now interface port 5, spanning tree link type point to point, and interface port channel 1, spanning tree link type point to point. Let us see, run this command, show spanning tree, and showing us here for port ether port channel 3 to 3, 5, and 1. It is point to point and it is in forward state. And let's do the same on switch 2. Show spanning tree, and it's showing us here for channel 3, 6, and 2. So we can fix it. Configure terminal interface for channel 3, spanning tree link type point to point. Interface for channel, this one here, interface for channel 6, spanning tree link type point to point. And the last one, it was for channel 2, exit, interface port channel 2, spanning tree link type point to point. Show spanning tree, and showing us they are the type of the link point to point. Do the same on the switch 3. Show spanning tree, and port 1, 6, and 4, they are in share. I'll configure terminal interface port 4, spanning tree link type point to point, exit. We did number 4, 6, and 1. Interface port channel 6, spanning tree link type point to point. Enter. And 1, exit. Interface port channel 1, spanning tree link type point in, show spanning tree, and they're point to point. Now switch 4, show spanning tree, showing us 4, 5, and 2. 4, 5, and 2. Configure terminal interface for channel 4, spanning tree, link type, point to point. Exit interface for channel 5, spanning tree, link type, point to point. Exit interface for channel 2, spanning tree, link type, point to point. Exit, show spanning tree, and they are now point to point. Now I will configure per VLAN spanning tree mode for all switches and the priorities according for switch 1. Configure terminal. I have a table in the description of this video, and you will just follow it. Here, configure spanning tree mode rapid per VLAN spanning tree for VLAN 10. Give it the priority of 40, 96, and for VLAN 20, give it the priority of 8192. And for switch 2, configure terminal, spanning it tree mode rapid per VLAN spanning tree VLAN 10, priority if 8192, spanning the tree for VLAN 20, 40, priority 496. On switch 3, configure terminal, spanning a tree mode rapid, spanning a tree for VLAN 10, priority of 32768. Spanning tree for VLAN 20, the same 32768. Oh, sorry, priority. Three, 2, 7, 6, 8. Now the last switch. Configure terminal, spanning tree mode rapid, spanning tree VLAN 10, priority 32768, spanning tree for VLAN 20, priority of 32768. Exit. Now let us see from the PC 20B if it can ping the web server. Yes, it can. Let's open the web server here. 8.8.8.8. Yes, it can. Let's see PC 10A. Let's stop. 8.8.8.8. Yes, it can. We covered a lot in this two parts videos. I hope you learned something, and the way how when I configure the port channel, the ether channel on the switches, I used to shut the ports down. It's kind of like for a bug I kept trying, and it kept, when I was preparing for this video, it gave me a hard time, but I found it easier if I shut the ports down before I configure the ether channel between the switches. I hope you learned something today from this video. Please, if you like it, subscribe to my channel and give me the thumb up, and I'll see you soon in next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.